Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set shipping rates on WooCommerce in 2024. So, setting up accurate shipping rates is essential for managing costs and also providing a great customer experience for your visitors. So, I'll cover everything from flat rate shipping to free shipping and zone based on rates as example, ensuring your store is fully equipped to handle deliveries efficiently. So, if you want to streamline your shipping process, stay tuned and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. Just type here WordPress.com and hit the enter button. For me, as example, just go here and open my local host. And if it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you can click on login to log in into your account at the top right corner if you have an account. And if you don't, click on get started and set to create an account. You can click even on get started here in the middle. So once you click on login as example, you'll find that you can log in using Google, Apple, GitHub. So you can use one of those accounts if you have one, of them. So you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you'll find yourself basically here. If you don't have WooCommerce here in the list panel, as you can see here is it, you'll have to go and install it. How to do so? So go to this list panel, plugins, add new, and simply just go to search plugins, type WooCommerce, and yeah, you'll find this right here. So instead of activator, you'll find an install now like this one. So you'll find this in here, click on it. And meanwhile, what's installing, of course, you can see the description, installation. Make sure that you meet those minimum requirements. For example, you can even see the full documentation here, server requirements and etc. Frequently asked questions, you'll be able to see it. Change log, what they changed in previous version. You can even here see everything, what they fixed, what they added, what they updated, what they tweaked, why they enhanced, etc. You can see the screenshots once you installed, how it's going to look like, etc. And finally, you can see the reviews of other people. As simple as that. So, So once it's downloaded, once it's installed, of course, you'll need to go and click on activate. So for me, it's compatible, as you can see, with the version for WordPress. So I'll have this issue. So anyway, I'll not be able to install it. So for you, should be good to go. And basically, once you do so, you'll have access now to the settings of it. So once you have access to that, of course, we will need to go and access the settings. Basically, go and click on WooCommerce and you will find settings option. Go and click on that. And you'll find a shipping tab. Of course, for me, I'll access an article for that. I didn't want to open any article before this video to show you exactly how to access the article if you want to follow it by your own. So just go to this tab and type the idea of this video. Just copy the title of this video, hit the enter button as example, so you don't get confused or something like that, and click on this first link. As an example in here, how can I configure my shipping rates in WooCommerce? So they will show you exactly how to do it. I try to access this article for visuals because, as I said, I have here incompatible version, and in here I cannot access the settings because I'll need to pay a plan. So for you, of course, once you go to WooCommerce, click on settings and you'll find the shipping tab. To set up shipping rates, you'll have to start adding shipping zones for specific zones or regions. So, example, in this example, they have everywhere, Europe. So for everywhere, they have everywhere in the world. Example, for shipping methods, they have this one. And for Europe, as example, he has two regions or two shipping zones. He has some flat rates, example, on Europe. Locations that are not covered by your zones, example, this is optionally. It's also, he has a flat rate for that as well. So example, for you, you will have to go and click on add shipping zone. And in that zone, you'll have to give it a name. The zone regions that you do want to add to that. As example, maybe for you, you can specify continents or even countries. And shipping methods, you'll have to add the shipping methods. Like here, for this one, for everywhere he has standard, shipping express, shipping premium, you will have to enable it or disable it. It's up to you. Or add even shipping methods. And of course, description is simply for that. Like this is flat rate or lets you charge a fixed rate for shipping. And those are the same. Description basically of whatever shipping method you added. So other than that, if you want to offer more than standard shipping, you will need to go basically click on add a shipping method, as we said, and choose whatever suits you. If you have already like something in there, you can go and click on edits, as you can see in here, and you can start editing in like the cost if it's flat, depending on method, tax status, example, if taxable or not. And if you want to offer free shipping, there's two options. There's this option example of going to shipping and add like a shipping class for free shipping. As example, maybe for a specific zone, maybe as example you live in at United States, California, and you offer free shipping for California, so you can add free shipping zone for just California, and others you have to pay. Or you can do it through adding some coupons. Again, you can go here to settings, and you'll find the coupon option. Example, so I'll just show you here how to add example coupons. So basically, it's gonna be the same. So you will have to go. Where's the settings? So don't show you how to access the settings. I want to show you like how to access the settings first. So yeah, basically, and here you'll have to go to settings of WooCommerce marketing. After marketing, of course, you'll find like coupon options. Example, marketing coupons, and you can start adding your coupons. And the coupon option or discount type, you can choose like a free shipping option if you want to add it in that way. And that's how you basically set up the shipping rates for WooCommerce. You can add your shipping zones, add your shipping methods to the zone that you add, configure the flat rate shipping if it's flat, or depending on I don't know the weight of whatever you added, etc. You can add some shipping classes, and you can also set up the free shipping, and you should be good to go. Of course, you can even set up shipping by weight or dimensions. It's optional, but it's very useful, especially if you have different type of products. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.